They say your portfolio speaks before you do. And that's true. Whether you're a designer, investor, freelancer, or entrepreneur, your portfolio isn't just a folder of work. It's your proof, your story, your power. But here's the thing. Most people treat their portfolio like an afterthought. The successful ones, they treat it like a weapon. A gateway to their next big opportunity. Think about it. When someone looks at your portfolio, they're not just seeing your work, they're seeing your potential. And that's why building a powerful portfolio is not optional. It's essential. Step 1. Clarity. A strong portfolio doesn't show everything you've ever done. It shows the best of what you can do. Pick your strongest 5 to 7 pieces. Make every single one speak for itself. Step 2. Structure. Start with a clean, simple design. No clutter, no chaos. Just clarity. Each section should guide the viewer like walking through a well-planned story. Make it easy for them to understand who you are and what you bring to the table. Step 3. Show your growth. Don't just show what you've done, show how you've evolved. Add short explanations, your thought process, and the impact of your work. People don't just buy skills, they believe in stories. Step 4. Polish it like it matters, because it does. Use high-quality visuals, clean fonts, and a layout that looks professional. If your portfolio looks lazy, they'll assume your work is too. Step 5. Keep it alive. A powerful portfolio is never finished. Update it, improve it, evolve it. Because you're evolving too. Remember, your portfolio is your silent salesman. It works for you even when you're asleep. It can open doors you never even knocked on. So build it with purpose. Build it with power. And when they see it, they won't just see your work. They'll see your worth. Your portfolio isn't your past. It's your future on display.